Ooh, I hit the button. Okay. So I am trying to untable the jumper cables. If I was smart, probably would have just done while the camera was off. But I'm tired, and I'm not thinking entirely clearly. So, jumper cables are separated so I can jump. I'm going to set you down again. Separated once again. Positive. So again, my multimeter is sitting here at 5.6. I normally like to hook this right to this left-hand lead here where the positive is connecting on. So, same time you hear the alternator go under strain, and this thing just takes a charge. So it was 5.6 a moment ago, it is now up to 14.2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, all being fed off my car. You just see no magic, just a little late night cabling, and up to 14.23, that will be plenty. I gotta hate those moments when you're like, oh no, my battery's dead. This does not care. And the way I understand it, even the load you're putting on your alternator is so little compared to what it puts out all the time. Yes, it's under an extreme amount of load for a very short time. But the fact is, it amounts to next to nothing. So, 14.2 volts. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. We'll take these jumper cables, we'll throw them in the trunk real quick, because I know if I do this, I'll get excited. And leave them there. If I ever need them again, I won't know where they are, because I drove over them or parked on them and broke them. So, multimeter's on. Key. Choke is still pulled. Ready? Turn the coup. Just that easily. I believe it was Wesley who asked, what happens if it's dead? That is it, sir. You just saw the entire process from beginning to end, and that's it. Good night. I'm tired. I'm going to frickin' bed. Alright. Thanks for staying tuned to the Super Capacitor project, and we will see what else we can come up with. So, again, gone from, it got parked on Thursday afternoon after work, so probably 5, 6-ish, I don't remember. Actually, it would have been the last video I put up when I accidentally stalled it. So, would have been that video, whatever time I said that was, if I did, say 5 or 6-ish, until now, and that would have been on Thursday. So 5 or 6 on Thursday, all of Friday, because I took the car, trust you, Subi. Left Friday, down to North Carolina, was gone Saturday, Sunday, and just got home at 10:06 on Monday, Memorial Day, 2014, and the battery was down to 9 point something, I don't remember. It's in the beginning of the video, part 1, because I accidentally hit the button and stopped the video. But that is it. Drained down, was under 10 volts, insufficient to start the bike. Actually, the display wouldn't even light up at the time, so I had a bad feeling to begin with, but I tried it anyway. and it dropped down to, I believe, 5.6 volts. And pulled the car forward a little bit, pulled out the jumper cables, wired them up just like you were trying to jump your bike from your car anyway. You know, I used a little grounding bolt, and then I tied it straight to the main power that comes off the battery, and brought it up to 14 point something or other. Topped it off with the bike, with starting the bike, because the bike puts out a little higher voltage. She started. So I hope that answers a lot of questions about what do you do when this thing actually dies, because it will. I'm looking at other ideas, such as small lithium-ion batteries that we can bundle with this in parallel to add the power so these things don't discharge quite as quickly. So your battery would act as your base, and then these would be your cold cranking amps, essentially, because there is no cold cranking amps with these things. They just give you what they got. Good night. I'm tired.